Hello everyone, this is Keith George and I'm going to walk you through creating a blog for your 6213 assignment. Also how to go back to your original blog and add new posts. The first thing I want to talk about is the difference between a blog and a post. A blog is a collection of posts. You can almost think of a blog as a website and blog post as different pages on that site, different entries. So the first thing to do is to go to the Blogger homepage, and when you go to www.blogger.com, it will automatically force you to log in to a Google account. That's the very first thing you have to do. And once you've logged in, you can see I've logged in up here. Once you log in, you're going to see all of your blogs if you haven't. Now notice that I have a couple of active blogs and an old deleted blog that still is there for me to recover if I need to. For you, you likely don't have anything here, and you'll start by clicking New Blog. So give your blog a title, and please include your name somewhere in the title. So Mr. George's School Classroom Blog. And then it will automatically try to give you an address, but you can just do Mr. G. Cool Classroom. And notice that it will try to come up with an address with .blogspot.com. Remember, in your address, you cannot have punctuation and you cannot have spaces. That's why I did not put a period and I did not try to put apostrophe S. So whatever you want it to be, and it will check and make sure that it's available. And then you can select one of these templates just to choose whichever one you like. It doesn't matter which one you do. Now I'm going to cancel here because I don't want to waste creating a blog because I already have some, but when you would create that blog, it would automatically come up to a view that would be about what you're going to see next. You would have a blog title here and it would take you into the blog. So let's go into my demo blog. And you can see several things here. There's some stats. If I had had a bunch of visitors, there would be some stats here to see how many people had looked at it. I can see how many people are following, all that kind of stuff. But I'm going to click on posts. And these are your individual posts. So again, one blog, multiple posts. Module 1, Module 2, Post 1, Post 2, things like that. Okay? So if I need to create a new post, I click on the New Post button. And it will allow me to enter a title, which should be pretty descriptive. Module 2, let's do Module 4, Student Sample. And then I can write my post here. And notice that you can do a little bold, italic, strike through. You can add links, you can include pictures, things like that. You can include tags over here if you want, just if you keep this blog and you want to keep it more organized. And then when you are done, you need to click the orange Publish button. If you're not done, but you need to step away, click Save. That way you can come back to it, but it's not shared with anyone. Or you can close it. So I'm going to close it for just a moment and notice that it says draft here because it automatically saved it for me, but it's not published. Nobody else can see it. Now I want to show you where apparently some students are getting confused. If I go back to my blogs and I just go to blogger.com and it automatically takes me to my blog page and it's time for me to add my second, my third, my fourth post. Do not click New Blog. You already have a blog. Click the New Post button, which is the orange pencil right here, to create a new entry on your blog or a new post. Don't create a new blog for every post. All right, as you can see, it's a pretty simple tool to use. It's very powerful. One more thing, when you need to share your link, the easiest way to get your link is to actually click on this View Blog button and then select and copy all of this up in the address bar. That is your address for your blog. Notice that it ends with blogspot.com. If it doesn't say blogspot.com, you are submitting the wrong URL. Okay, well that should get it. And if you have any questions, feel free to send a message in the discussion forum or send an email. Thank you.